Today I'm going to show you exactly how to stop your files from automatically uploading to OneDrive. By the end of this video, you'll understand a few different ways to take control of your files, whether you just want to stop certain folders from syncing, pause things temporarily, or completely disconnect your computer from OneDrive. This will help you protect your privacy, manage your storage, and avoid surprises with files appearing in the cloud when you didn't intend them to. Let's jump right in with the first and most recommended method, which is stopping folder backup for specific locations like your desktop, documents, and pictures folders. This is especially useful if you've ever noticed that screenshots, documents, or photos are syncing to OneDrive without you realizing it. Here, what you do first, find the OneDrive icon. It's that little white or blue cloud sitting in the system tray on the bottom right corner of your screen. Sometimes it's a bit hidden, so you might need to click the little arrow to show all icons. Once you find it, give that cloud a click. A small window will pop up. This is your OneDrive menu. Now look for a tiny gear icon. That's your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it, then choose settings from the list. This opens up a new window with several tabs. What you want is the one labeled sync and backup. The names can shift slightly depending on your version, but it should be pretty clear. Now look for an option called manage backup. Once you click there, you'll see switches for your desktop, documents, and pictures folders. These toggles decide whether those folders are automatically being backed up to OneDrive. Just switch off the ones you don't want synced. Maybe you want to keep your documents backing up, but not your entire desktop. This is where you make that call. This doesn't delete anything, it just stops future files from being uploaded automatically. While you're still in the Sync and Backup tab, there's another small but important step. Double check for options to save photos and videos from devices like cameras or phones. If you don't want every photo from your phone landing in OneDrive, turn these off too. Don't worry if it takes you a few moments to find each setting. Take your time and remember, you can always turn these back on later if you change your mind. Let's look at a second approach, pausing sync. Maybe you need to temporarily stop files uploading if your network is slow today, or you just don't want a bunch of files jumping to the cloud while you're working. This method doesn't change your backup settings, it just hits pause. To do this, click the OneDrive cloud icon again, head to the gear icon and look for pause syncing. You'll see the options 2, 8, or 24 hours. Pick what fits your needs. Once you're ready to sync again, OneDrive will pick up where it left off, no worries. And finally, if you want a full stop, maybe you're moving to a different service or you just don't want OneDrive at all, you can unlink your PC entirely. This is a no going back kind of move, but sometimes it's exactly what you want. Just like before, click the OneDrive icon, Settings gear, and choose Settings. This time, go to the Account tab. There you'll see Unlink this PC. Click on that, confirm, and you're done. Your computer stops syncing with OneDrive completely. Nothing else will upload or download unless you set it up again. So there you have it, a few simple but powerful ways to stop OneDrive from automatically uploading your files. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, or maybe you tried a step and got stuck, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.